Hello, John from TabletClass Math, and I want to personally thank you for supporting me on my channel. So, if you've been watching my math videos, whether you are a subscriber or not, nevertheless, thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch my math videos. Hopefully, you've been gaining a lot from them. My goal has always been to try to teach math in a clear and understandable way. That's what I focus on. That's what I'm passionate about. But I just want to share with you, I just crossed over 300,000 YouTube subscribers. That's a pretty crazy milestone for me. I never thought that that would be the case when I posted my first video, but that's how things go in life, okay? It's the same thing with your math education or anything you might be doing that's challenging. It starts with the first step. So if you are learning math or, you want to take calculus one day and you're just struggling with algebra, but you're like, I want to be an engineer, do not quit. Do not quit on those dreams and those goals. You can do it. It's just, you have to take one step at a time. And for me, with YouTube, it's been one video at a time. But each video, I pour myself, into it in terms of, what's a good way to try to explain this math concept without sounding like a textbook or, like like a drone. I try to have somewhat of a personality, but nevertheless, if you've been following my work and you like my work, I'm going to continue to try to make more interesting and more diverse math videos. And I try to cover the spectrum from basic to advanced math. So we're talking like arithmetic, all your algebra courses, geometry, pre-calculus, and into calculus. So um, I'm going to continue to try to make new videos on various different topics, obviously. And one thing I'm considering is maybe starting like a little bit of a podcast. I wanted to interview some people involved in the STEM field. If you're not familiar with this word, STEM, STEM, that stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So we have so many big challenges in this world, problems that need to be solved, and those folks that are going to be in the STEM field are going to be the people that are going to be solving a lot of them. Okay, there's problems that other non-STEM people solve, but engineering, mathematics, computer science, science is so critical. Okay, we need to develop as many STEM people as possible. And if you like math or you like science and whatnot, I'm going to try to do whatever I can do to keep you interested in this and inspire you to check it out, pursue it. All right, see what you think, but never ever stop and yourself from trying something just because something's a little difficult. If you're struggling in your algebra course or maybe you're taking pre-calculus, now it's hard, that's normal. Okay, don't quit because it's challenging. Just like me, well, with my YouTube channel, I started with one video and I just kept driving forward, right, with the goal of just helping as many people as I can. So hopefully I can one day report to you maybe 400,000. Okay, we'll see how long that might take me. But the bottom line is this: I make these videos to help you, and please share your feedback, with what I can do to improve. And I try to listen to your feedback. I do get a ton of comments and feedback, so I really try to read as much as I possibly can. But I do want to tweak my channel to make it as efficient and as impactful for your benefit. Okay, it's always about you. But again, thank you so much for being a watcher of my videos, and hopefully you have also clicked that subscribe button as well. But with that being said, I definitely appreciate everything that you have done in terms of your support for me, and that means just watching this video right here. That's a big deal to me. So thank you so much, and I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics adventures. Have a great day.